Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and Ronald, our postman, just made another delivery, but there's a problem. My problem is I've got all of these Canadian rations that I got in, I think yesterday, maybe it was the day before. But anyway, I took all the pictures for the rations and they will be on the website tonight. But I need to put these rations away before I can open up the ones that I just got today. And if you look over here, let you look. If you look over here, I only have these two shelves for Canadian rations. And if you go back over here, that's a lot of rations. Let's see what I can do. Okay, that top shelf here is irrelevant because it's full. I've got 2016s and 2017s over there. And I think I got a couple of 2014s up there. So now I've got this space here. I've got half of it filled, and let me see what I can do with the other half. Got a lot of beef macaroni. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna go get the other box. All right. And Renee, I wear your Kentucky shirt an awful lot. Happy to say it did not shrink. It's been holding up very well, and it has become one of my favorite shirts. And anybody wondering who I'm talking about, it's Renee Allen. Okay, this box came in the mail today. I know what it is. Let's open it up and see what we've got. We were running out of British menus 1 through 10. We have plenty of 11 through 20, but not 1 through 10. And then we found out our vendor had been ill. And bless his heart, we decided to wait because he's such an awesome guy. We decided to wait until he got better, which he did. And he's starting to deliver. He's starting to bring, he's starting to deliver. He's starting to fulfill our orders now for British rations. So let me show you what I've got. Here we go. British menus 1 through 10 with the date of 9/17. This is the first of 10 cases that are on the way now. And then as soon as we get all 10 of these cases, we probably are going to order another 10 more, and that way we can make sure we are well stocked with these guys. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. A little peek at behind the scenes with Nina.